2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, heated front seats, compass, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.